I'm gonna teach you how to apply false lashes. For years, I was scared to do it, but you're gonna be looking like a Hollywood star with your lashes. The product you're gonna need is some lashes. These are the Rain lashes. I do really like them because they are reusable. You can use them up to 30 times, so it's a little bit more cost effective. Little tweezers, my lash glue, and then some tiny scissors to cut them. I have learned this over the years of applying lashes as a professional. I like to put mascara on first, but a super, super light layer. So I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of mascara on and then we'll hop right into putting the lashes on. I'm using the Hourglass mascara. This is one of my favorites. I have my super light layer of mascara applied. Now I'm gonna get into the lashes. So for lashes, you're gonna cut them to your eye shape. You wanna customize them to your eyes, because if you put a really big lash on, it's gonna overwhelm your eyes so much. I have small eyes, so I usually cut mine in half pretty much. They're pretty long. The strip is way bigger than my lash, so we're gonna measure it. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna put it up to my eye. I usually like to have mine start about center of my pupil, if you can see that. So a little bit further out from the inner eye than you would think, because if I bring it towards the inner, it's gonna overwhelm my eye a little bit too much and look less natural. Whereas if I start it in the center and then just kind of let it go up, it's gonna bring my eye up. It's gonna make me look like my eyes are really open and I have amazing full lashes, and people will never notice that you have a falsie on. Get my tiny little scissors, and we're gonna trim it all up. As you can see, we cut a good little bit off of it. That much. That's a good little bit. So don't be afraid to trim them a lot, because they're gonna look more natural if they're correct for your eyes. Always make sure you're trimming from the outer edge, because that's gonna keep the lash the correct way that it's designed to be applied. I'm gonna take my lash glue. This is the Rain lash glue that goes with these lashes. I really like this adhesive. It sticks really well. It's very lightweight, and I feel like it holds incredibly. I'll link these in the description for you too. I'm just applying it right to the top of that lash on the strip. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer them down there for y'all. I'm gonna let that lash get a little bit tacky. Then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna apply it to the edge first. And then I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna pinch it towards my lash line and get it as close as I can for the most natural look. And then I'll usually push the edge up just a little bit so that it's bringing my eye up. A little tip, if you have separation between your inner, you can take a little eyeliner and blend it together. I think these look really good and they really don't need blending. And then if you want even more dramatic, you can bring a little eyeliner or mascara on the bottom, but that's it. Super easy, super simple, and I hope this was helpful.